Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to fix ChatGPT error code 1020. This is the classic access denied error that happens when Cloudflare security system flags your connection as a potential threat. So let's get right into the fixes. First, you need to check your VPN or proxy settings. This is the #1 cause of error 1020 in 2026. Because so many people use the same popular VPN servers, those specific IP addresses often get flagged for high volume or suspicious activity. Try turning off your VPN entirely and refreshing the page. If you absolutely must use one, try switching to a dedicated IP or a less crowded server location to get a cleaner connection that hasn't been blocked by the firewall. Next, you need to target your browser's site data. Instead of clearing your entire history and losing all your saved passwords, you can just target the data for OpenAI specifically. In Chrome, go to your settings, select Privacy and Security, and then choose Site Settings. Look for View Permissions and Data Stored across sites. Search for OpenAI and hit the trash icon to remove all related security cookies. This force resets your session and often clears up the security block that was triggered by an outdated or corrupted login token. Then you have to consider your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, script managers, or even dark mode extensions can interfere with the background security checks Cloudflare runs to verify you're a human. Try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. If the error disappears, you know an extension is the culprit. You should go through your list and disable them one by one until you find the one triggering the 1020 block. Finally, if you're still seeing access denied, try a network level reset. Sometimes your entire home or office IP address gets temporarily blacklisted. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and try connecting via your phone's mobile hotspot. This gives you a completely different IP address from your cellular provider, which usually bypasses the access denied error instantly. If the problem persists across all your devices on the same network, try restarting your router to see if your ISP assigns you a fresh, unflagged IP address for your whole house. And that is it. One of these steps will get you past the security gate and back to your prompts. If this troubleshooting guide helped you get back into your account today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.